Rajya Sabha MP Raghav Chadha has been suspended from the House on the issue of breach of privilege. Today in this video we will try to understand the issue of breach of privilege and on what grounds he has been suspended, the issue of select committee that was in news, what are these select committees. So in our parliament under article 105 and 118 parliamentary committees are formed. When government introduces any bill in the parliament, there is not much time that these bills can be discussed in detail. So these parliamentary committees are there to discuss the bills in detail, to keep a control on the executive. These parliamentary committees perform that function and they draw their authority from this two article, article 105 and article 118. There are two types of parliamentary committee, permanent committees and ad hoc committees. These permanent committees are standing committees. Standing committees are of two types, financial standing committees and department related standing committees. The members of these committees are chosen from within the house. Some committees have the members from both the Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, and some committees have members entirely from the Lok Sabha, such as estimate committee, while some committees exist separately in Lok Sabha and in the Rajya Sabha. There are department related committees such as Committee on Agriculture, Committee on Defence, Committee on Energy, and each year they get reorganized. They work under the direction of Speaker or Chairman of the House. Then there are ad hoc committees. These ad hoc committees are constituted for specific purpose and for some specific time. Under ad hoc committees, we have joint committees and select committees. When a bill is introduced in the House, after discussion, if there are some points left which are to be discussed in detail, some specific details, then a member can pass a motion that bill should be referred to a select committee because there are some specific areas which needs to be discussed in detail. So in that case, a select committee is formed. Under the rule 125 of the Rajya Sabha, any member can move as an amendment that a bill be referred to a select committee, and if the motion is carried, the bill shall be referred to such a committee. So when Delhi Services Bill was introduced in Rajya Sabha, Raghav Chadha under this rule 125 passed a motion that this bill should be discussed by a select committee. This motion can be moved by the member in charge or any other MP. In this case, Raghav Chadha moved this motion. House decides on this motion and the member of this select committee are chosen among the members of the House. Members are nominated in the committee, their names are called out and then they are appointed by the House. However, no member is appointed to a select committee when he is not willing to serve on the committee. So Raghav Chadha nominated 5 members to the select committees. These members then later said that they did not give any consent or they did not sign on this motion that their name should be in the select committee. However, in the rules, it is not specified whether the consent is required or the signature is required for the names to be nominated in the select committee. On this issue, that Raghav Chadha has forged the signature of these MPs for their names to be included in the select committee, a complaint was filed against him on the issue of breach of privilege. What is breach of privilege? A breach of privilege is a violation of any of the privileges of MPs or parliament. The parliamentary privileges refers to rights and immunities enjoyed by the parliament as an institution and MPs in their individual capacity, without which they cannot discharge their functions as entrusted upon them by the Constitution. Under Article 105 and 194. 105 for MPs and 194 for MLAs. These privileges are specifically of two types. First, they enjoy freedom of speech in the parliament. Means whatever they say in the parliament, they cannot be prosecuted on that. They enjoy absolute immunity from courts. And second type of privilege is right of publication of its proceedings. Under this, no member of parliament shall be liable to any proceeding in any court in respect of anything said or any vote given by him in the parliament or any committee thereof, or if they publish anything that is said or given in the parliament. However, it does not apply to a third party. Whenever a third party publishes something regarding the proceedings of the House, they may be prosecuted under the contempt of court. So these two rights have quite wide implications. However, there are certain restrictions that the MPs cannot use unparliamentary language or their conduct can be questioned. On this issue of Raghav Chadha forging the signature, complaint was that he has violated the rules of the House and his conduct was unparliamentary, unethical. However, the Rajya Sabha website states that a breach of privilege can arise only when the member or the minister makes a false statement or an incorrect statement willfully, deliberately, or knowingly. Congress has also lodged a complaint against Amit Shah for misleading the parliament. A privilege motion was submitted against him on the issue of the Kalavati story that Amit Shah said. Amit Shah said that Modi government helped Kalavati to get the house. However, a video by Kalavati claims that Rahul Gandhi had helped her tide over poverty. So there is no action on that privilege motion against Amit Shah. However, here Raghav Chadha has been suspended, although there is no violation of any rule. So this was all about breach of privilege and the issue of select committee. See you in the next video. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.